Okay, we worked with heart disease patients. Some things about heart disease. Many causes of heart disease is high blood pressure, cardiac arrest, and stroke. The nutritional values for a heart disease patient is low sodium, which is less than 3 grams, and heart patients need low carbs, such as 30 to 130 grams. Heart disease patients can only have 1,200 calories a day.
This is our 3-day meal plan. For day 1, we're just going to have for breakfast is bran cereal, skim milk, and blueberries, which is 287 calories. For lunch, we have chicken, cauliflower, fried rice, kiwi fruit, which after that would be dinner, and we would have oven toasted corn tortillas, canned black beans, shredded cheddar cheese, avocado, and salsa. For one day, it would be 1,092 calories.
Price of items. It would be, for a half cup of rolled oats, it would be 60 cents. A cup of milk would be 50 cents per carton. Half cup of strawberries would be 56 cents. For 2 corn tortillas would be 34 cents. 2/3 of a cup of canned black beans would be 40 cents. Half of bell peppers would be $1. 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese, 73 cents. 2 tablespoons of salsa is $1.09. Cauliflower is $5. Mixed greens is $4, and wine vinegar would be 12 cents.
Day 2. Breakfast, we had rolled oats cooked in a cup of milk, and we had strawberries, which came out to 268 calories. Lunch, we had 2 corn tortillas, 2/3 cup of black beans, 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, and 2 tablespoons of salsa, which came out to 315 calories. For dinner, we had chicken, cauliflower, fried rice, a cup of mixed greens, and then we put on top of the mixed greens red wine vinegar and olive oil, which came out to 412 calories. That whole day, we had 933 calories that day.
On day 3, breakfast is non-fat plain Greek yogurt, blueberries, almonds, honey, and mixed all together is 276 calories. For lunch, we had roasted tofu and peanut noodle salad, which is 319 calories. For dinner, we had grilled romaine with avocado lime dressing, cooked chicken breast, and we cooked that in olive oil and seasoned with cumin and a pinch of salt and pepper. Cooked 437 calories, and for that whole entire day is 1,032 calories.
X is sodium in milligrams, Y is carbs in milligrams. Y is greater than or equal to 11,000 minus X.
X is the number of days, and Y is the cost for the days. Y equals 14.34X.
Okay, so in understanding your information, thank you. Those meal plans were very precise. They looked, appetizing for our patients. So if I'm looking at this equation where I have the Y and the X, what is the 11,000 there? What is that representing?
11,000 is the total amount of milligrams of those both combined in one day.
Okay, perfect. So if I were feeding my patient, and let's just say an average, I'm making sure I understand so I'll know what is acceptable for my patients. If I have 5,000 milligrams of sodium, how much, based on the graph, how many carbs can that patient have?
6,000.
Okay, can I have 6,000 on the dot? Do I need to give them a little bit more or a little bit less?
I believe it just has to be exactly on the dot, because 11,000 is the total amount that you're allowed to have.
Okay, so, but that is hard to give somebody something that each day. So I know you have a red portion and a white portion of your graph. So which acceptable, if I just don't get it right on the dot, but I still want to keep my patients healthy, would I be going for the shaded region or the white unshaded region?
You'd be going for the red shaded region.
Okay, so maybe it could be 6,000 or a little bit less, but I want to try and get as close to that, okay? And then just making sure that I don't go over budget for our stays at the hospital. So tell me, where did you get the $1,434? What is that?
$1,434 is the cost for 1 day.
Okay, so the average cost for 1 day for, those meals is that. So in that case, if I were to stay for 5 days at the hospital, what do I look at to know what my total would be?
You would look for the region on the red line that would line up with your 5 days.
Okay, and then so I'm placing that in my X, okay, and that's going to give me the total days. Perfect. I appreciate your information. Thank you so much. We'll be able to better serve our patients, and I appreciate your help. Thank you.